So you saw it that I tried to click a picture of this sand, and that was a nope. So I also tried the inbuilt option of a super macro, which also failed to click an HD picture of the sand particles in a zoom mode. So let me make a microscope. So for building a mobile phone microscope, what you need is a laser light, and from that laser light, okay, so this is the laser diode, and in this the diode there is a convex lens, and opening this is simple. As you turn the cap, a spring comes out, and inside that there is a tiny convex lens. Okay, this is the convex lens, and this is the one that will work as the microscope for the camera lens. Okay, let me show you how to fit this lens on the camera. Okay, so this is the rear camera, and now I will take a wire manager, this steel cables where you can twist a bundle of wires into a single unit, and in this wire I will put this lens. I'll make a hole first with this wire, and then I'll fit this lens inside this structure so that it can hold the lens in place, and then I will paste this lens on the phone, not the lens but this strand on the phone. And another thing that you have to keep in mind is that when I fit this lens on the phone, then the lining of the lens, the focal length of the lens should match with the focal length of this camera, and secondly the lining of the lens should be parallel with that of the camera, otherwise the picture will not be able to focus. Okay, so you can see that the lens is now just on top of the rear camera, and I hope so that it turns out to be lining with the lens that is inbuilt in the camera lens, so that we can have a good focus on the image. Now I am going to apply some tape so that it can hold the lens in place. Okay, so this is the lens, and now let me stick this with the camera. Okay, perfect. And now I have another set of lens here, and I'm going to place that on this lens, sorry, not on this, on this flashlight, so that it can focus the light on the particular place I am going to click the picture. Okay, so both the setups are in place now, and let me now check whether the lens is with the line of the inbuilt camera lens, and after that I will test with some demo shots. Okay, so you can see that the lens is parallel with the camera lens, and I hope so that it turns out well. Now let me click the picture of that sand. Yes, now you can see that how well the camera can focus. Okay, let me decrease the exposure. increase the brightness of the image, and now you can click the picture. You can see how fine the picture is coming. I am not even using the super macro option. This is just the normal camera. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is a colored cloth. I hope the picture will turn out to be better than the previous one. Yes, just as I said. Oh, see the texture. Okay, so this is the final image. Wow, look at the texture. So that's how powerful the microscope is. So with a simple process costing somewhat around just 20 rupees or something for to buy the laser diode, you can make a mobile phone microscope of your own that can take such fabulous shots. And now I have taken some previous shots with this setup. Now I can actually show you all those shots. I will actually post another video, separate video showing all those shots with the original version and then the picture I have shot in the phone. So this is so much for today. We'll meet next time. Bye.